Stephanie is going to help me with the bus song. Okay, Stephanie, what can you see on the bus?
Wheels.
Wheels. What can you see on the bus?
Wheels.
Wheels, good. And how do wheels go?
Round and round.
Ah, wheels go round and round. Okay, good. Now, what can you see on the bus?
Wiper.
Wipers. Now, how do the wipers go?
Swish. Swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish.
Aha! Wipers go swish, swish, swish. Perfect. Mina, what can you see on the bus?
Horn.
A horn! Of course. How does the horn go?
Beep, beep, beep.
Beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Perfect! The wheels, the wipers, and the horn. That's it. I have the words for the song. Doobie-doobop, are you ready?
Hey everybody, let's take a ride on the bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Now what else can you see on the bus? Sure, the wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. All through the town. What else can you see on the bus? Well, sure. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All through the town. All through the town. Hey, this is my stop.
What's your name?
William.
That's William. William is going to help me, find some words for the bus. Okay. William, who can you see on the bus?
Driver.
The driver. Okay, good. What does a driver say?
Hello.
A driver says hello. Good. What else does a driver say?
Move on back.
Aha! Move on back. Good.
Baby.
A baby. Okay. What does the baby do on the bus?
Wow.
Oh, right. The baby cries. Do you cry?
No.
Cindy doesn't cry.
Wow, wow, wow.
The baby cries on the bus. Kuya, who can you see on the bus?
Grandpa.
Grandpa, right. Now then, what does Grandpa do?
Fart.
Did you say fart? Yeah? This is it. The driver, the baby, and the grandpa. Let's make another song.
Kids English School.
Kids